In the morning, yeah. Yeah, I hear some love. Wanna see what go on now, people? You get your where I say? Everybody pay coming now.
You see, what name? Freddy Cougar, the man when I select a while ago. From me, Pierre come in and he make me dance.
Big up yourself, girlfriend. Hold on, man. Hold on there. Hold on there. Big up yourself, girlfriend. But right now, I'm morning right now. You see what I say? Big up yourself. I'm glad you get for party because a war time now. A war time now. Freddy, fuck off and go because you come here and you don't care no jar or dubplate. Actually, you know a 3 dubplate you come here with. That's why you come here with your juggling. You see what I say? That can't hurt, brethren. But big up yourself still. You understand? Because I love the vibes. You see right now? But we start the war right now.
Mighty Mouse, Chucky, Pumper. Hey. Put them in the dumper.
Step on, Chice.
Boy, you roll the world.
Me hear you come here and make some time. Let me tell you something.
Well, you've been through hills and valleys.
What are they?
And survive out of the old gangster alley. No gunshot, pumper, skip and dally. When them think we dead back in the juggling, we rally.
We want them on popping.
Mighty Mouse, Chucky, Pumper.
The war just start right now.
The dumper.
The war just start right now.
Roll the world. Let me tell you that. Hey. King Bower, well, you've been through hills and valley and survive out of the old gangster alley. No gunshot, pumper, skip and dally. When them think we dead back in the juggling, we rally. We want them and pop it off. Bogus match where we rip off. Oh, you get your front stripe, take it off. Come and get the front but rip off. Well, King Bower, rip it off with the whip.
What I'm saying, I'm on in here. What I'm saying, I'm on in here.
Original sound. King Bob was signed.
Yeah, we kill some.
Killing a jump on. It's King for enjoyment. Jump on your dead in at the clash, the clash, the clash. King for a killer jump on.
What on, man?
Blood guy. Bobby.
Yeah.
Listen. I'm man of a farm in the hills. Turning from Monday to Friday, Lord. And at the end of the week, I got to listen King for a song play. Okay.
Turn up! I don't clash in but if you know them know what go on. We have to make them know so the machine heavy.
As my pocket is empty. No dubs to buy, Lord.
Freddy, go get some dub and come. We are dealing with you. You not the money for buy no dub. You should have can't jar dub them tonight. You go like you don't read Canada sound. Hey, you walk one.
As my pocket is empty. No dubs to buy, Lord. God is hungry. Don't ask me why.
The man never go like them no rate King Bo.
Oh yeah.
Wally Patchoon in the back.
What sound it already?
Michael Palmer.
Like a Freddy. Hey, boogie, boogie, boogie.
Turn up me John.
No more dead sound, we done with them.
What?
Oh yeah. Oh well.
If you come here and a tune, we're going to put a fire upon you.
Run them out to town, yeah.
Run where you out.
Oh well.
How them boy are ramping?
King Bo a burn a fire pan a weak sound. And them free talk could I never get with them.
A bad son, we're not afraid of people. You see that little son, yeah? We're not afraid of people, but me tell you this.
Oh Lord. King Bo King Bo was the murderer.
Turn up the John!
Oh Lord, King Bo, yeah. Your eyes are up this morning. And you see the rising sun.
Why?
Even when it's dawning, King Bo, I play another drum go number one.
Turn up!
The time is so perilous. Some clash gets so dangerous in this.
The man they make it look like say them now no tune, like them a run out of tune. Let me tell you this.
Feel the sound for me, yeah. King Power sound.
C4, do
Well, I kill the sound boy for me. He killed the sound boy for me. And Jah shine his light out for me. He takes the light out for me. When some old band sound surround we, with the plates trying to play with.
Hey, you see that sound, yeah? We're not afraid of no sound.
Won't you welcome test the champion?
Step on Chice, line up your song, a bad sound, you play against you.
I said rat-tat-tat-tat, one more sound boy, drop a king for we do. Hey, rat-tat-tat-tat, one more.
Hey, let me tell you something. For me, left my yard, me make sure some is dropped. Can you see that sound here?
Yes, son.
You see that sound here?
Oh, now. The Lord is our light and our salvation.
Whoa!
Tell I man,
who shall the king go up in?
When some Eden sound boy come and try to eat up our flesh, Lord, then they stumble down and fell. And now, King Power bust out a hell.
That's right, that rise the machine.
Our sound, that our side representing, and do remember our sound. Not a Gower sound, not a Bower sound, a King Vower sound. Mighty Mouse, because the pumper stay so far, the Romy, Chucky, DJ Hands Fire Waves, Kamal Fire, the whole massive kill sound, easy.
Line up on the song, you know, because you know we're not backing up for one for one, that's how the thing setting up.
No.
All right, hear that juggling, you know.
King Vower sound. No.
But good juggle up that thing, and then go one for one.
Boy, I can't sleep at night, them a worry and fret. Them better no disrespect. Everything select, Glocks into text.
Taurus Riley!
We no need to worry. We kill jump and so easy.
You know what I tell you, say, you can't do that.
Freddy Cougar! You can't have the thing for yourself, you.
Turn your back on the dogs and remember all I wouldn't use to depend on the block. And I talk about say, who know I go rich now.
You rich?
You switch, you real.
Turn it up!
But my son want a meal for share with them and them friends.
Yo, give me something new on the rhythm there, brother.
Yo,
give me something new on the rhythm.
Your father rule me. Joe, King Power sound. Things don't change, me say things are gonna change. King Power God and them still are the same. Them not change, please nobody. King Power watcher.
Turn it up, hey!
Wow. We get a team last night and the team tell me things don't change.
Hear
me no mighty more.
Oh, them boy are going like them line with iron, so. Who don't know how to ramp with?
Just this sound boy. One like say them head it can't move.
Hey, boy!
Should I say boy? So me say pumper.
Them boy are going like them head can't bust in a two. A bad man sound and I play with.
Body up the pass.
Turn up me joy!
One like say them head it can't bust. Should I say your sound first? When you hear it bust from people. Boy get wet up with it. King Power them not laugh at people.
Right, they must think around them.
You could hear them stepping at the scheme. Empty a clip in a sound boy move. We don't
the man I'm coming with one bag of old tune. Give me some new tune there, brother.
see. Hear me no King Power son.
DJ!
King Power son. And sometimes it's alright for your boy. Hear me no mind.
I'm not talking about exercise machine. I'm not playing the tune.
We never hesitate to make it clear work. One in them made them a rotate start.
DJ!
We go kill we but we can play first. Run up on them heads like him and in the camouflage shirt. Mama blast dirt. Mama never tell you left for you no concern. Casing life like it up on concern. Chucky say, long rifle run out. Boy, pass your 16 till it don't out. Boy, you feel like up in the house and can't come out. Romy, make sure say everything burn out.
Where you say, Amma, you ready for the one for one?
To God, we have the rifle like say you want flag. Pussy, now you did like a wicked like a bottom of a jack. Chop up big and put in a buck. Watch big man around and blue. Can't sleep like a Japanese.
Dash that. Me here, Steppers Chice come here and play a Dennis Brown. Steppers Chice, don't do that, youth. Don't do that, Steppers Chice. Remember me tell you, you're a son who we like and respect, so don't go that route there, brother. Play that one there.
I me say, who judge and bless? Me say, no man curse. Me say, 6'6". Me say, you're gone under the ground. Now, King Power, you run things. Chris, Romeo, Chuck, Toronto Massive, Jane and Fish, Malton. Original D Brown said you got together around some boy, you clown. Hear this?
Yeah. me stay.
When you say belly, when you say heavy steel, Dennis Brown.
Hey, King Vawa is now playing in the dance. And if you listen carefully now, you will hear.
Pull up. What you say, Abba?
People are draw nearer now. Draw nearer. Freddy, come plug in one laptop. Because you have two right now, a tune for tune. Make we see what's going on in here. You want everybody in front of the sound. Because a peer talk I go on from night. Them say me I go play the first song. So me I go play my first song right now, here. Me I go play my first song. All right.
Melissa.
Me I go play my first song.
Thing now working on Magnum Force and that in a straight up original sitting a Freddie McGregor. I would done say what? The splice tune thing now working on Magnum Force and that in a straight up original sitting a Freddie McGregor live and direct. So watch me on my crew, now watch some face in the car with there for hammer them down saying, Dino, you don't know Slim, you have the big tune, run it. All girls, Magnum Force now, sing.
Ready up right now.
Tired of taking the blame, might as well murder someone again. Whoa, whoa, Magnum Force for them kiss me friend.
Tonight.
I'm a longing to murder someone. I know what you've been playing over the dance of.
Cease.
Them say one for one, but them sang the week. I swear. Who do want some real one for one that morning? Who do want some real one for one? Step a choice like biggest sound in Ireland, I swear. Them can't defend that. Each one. Me no fear Gyro Sound, me no fear Magnum Force, me no fear King Power.
You know, it's the big bad steppers choice. Kirk, yeah, yeah, me Ryan Bojo, yeah, yeah, me Itchy One, yeah, yeah, me Shaky. Yo, shake it like a earthquake.
Blood clot.
My sound.
Step can't play no song big like Step a Choice.
Problems. Yes. No sound. Yes. No sound. Can't test the Steppers choice. We a big sound. And no sound. Can't kick we up and down.
That week like the week when at the lamp. Youth, when you say one for one, you have to draw them tune, brother. Drop the one there.
So go and tell it to the nation, enemies and friends. The champion.
Dead man. If you don't vice the brother, you can't vice him again. Go ahead.
Father Romy, Chuck, Mighty Mouse and Bumper, and all the Jane and Prince crew. You done already.
I'm a warm to you, man. Cha. I'm how you plug out the tune, brethren. Cha North Star. Yo, him plug it out. Make Freddie play, brother. All right, play the song. All right, Freddie.
Yeah. That was just a misunderstanding. Saying, I'm a big myself. No, on a purpose to do that for. Yeah, on a purpose I'm going to do that for. But, hold on now. But true, then say one for one. Saying, and then play Dead Man song. Baby Gregory Isaac Foundation, I'm rating from my heart. See it? Music me there for play, man. We have music here enough. Land up the thing. Before me even play this song. Let me make sure it work. Switch it over.
Switch over the machine then. Processor. I don't work with processor, man. The music I work with. Saying, a man who wants to work with processor and them sitting there. Music I work with. You understand? I tell no one to play blood now, tune for tune.
You know, if you know that, you think apprentice. You think apprentice. But hear this, Lincoln Sugar Miners represent right now. A veteran, a long time in this all over youth. Run it, Freddy, cause them can't test you. Play the big man for them song. Hey, say Freddy Krueger, you rough. Tough. Say Freddy Krueger, you row.
Yeah, I'm sure some boy you play song.
Yeah, some boy coming out to dance song. With them tin pants around.
That one the big Freddy. People are sportsmanship, you know. I remember music is a mission, not a competition. You see, dead artists? Lord God. Me now go say that song there like a big song there, big up Sugar Minot. People, when you come for tune. If you don't have them song you have to play, me gone in at the coffin box too. The youth are named Barry Brown. And remember Barry Brown, let me play that one here. And the biggest song I'm going to play for the night.
Hold on, sir. What? The splice
What? Don't do that. You know, say laptop fly. Don't do that. How do that?
Billy.
That one, a big song, don't.
Get it. Look my body. Look what you see is going on.
Guess what?
I've made it down. I've been chewed down by Magnum Force.
Say it, actor. Stepper's choice. People are holding for music they have to play. Remember sportsmanship here? If you don't feel so, you're not going to get ignorant, nobody play no music here.
Sportsmanship, man, we keep it this. But I'm going to tell you about that song that we are playing now. Him no big on the artist when we are going to play. Him only dead first. See it? Remember that. Play the one there.
They say when Stepper Choice is playing, a sound boy cry.
All who want some for the money, see it you know.
Cry on with your tin pants.
This is alternate. All who read alternate.
Stepper Choice is the originator. All our sound is the imitator, boy. On the fuck off. Number one sound. King of sound.
Don't have some light side on this blood clean. Look out. Hey. What they do about that song? Listen.
Look at it. Stepper Choice is the sound.
Great sound.
Sportsmanship.
Great sound called King
Sportsmanship. Big up yourself, Stepper's Choice. Me go dead artist and every sound go dead artist. All right. Me go play the first collaboration.
Right foot like a soldier.
Power son. Some mighty mouse. Pumper.
Pumper. To them, Sister Marcia.
Endorsement to the max for King Bauer son. All the way. Take it to the world, King Bauer.
Listen to tune.
Talk to them, Babandi.
King Bauer sound.
Marcia Griffiths, Babandi. Hear that, Junior?
All the power. I knew one day we'd meet for a clash.
Well, man.
Sound boy, I always look forward to that. Look at it now. King Bauer's got you in a ring.
When Marcia Griffiths said,
gonna whip you, show you who is the king.
It's alright with me to kill a sound.
No. That song is a big song. That song is a big song. No doubt about it. On the line at the machine.
One to them.
All
One
right.
to them. One to them.
But you see the man, you see the group who build the rhythm there, eh? And them me go play for special now. The group who build that rhythm for Master Griffith and Babandi, them me go play for special now. This is Light Parks and we the people. Listen up.
Yeah. This is Light Parks talking, and this one was made exclusively for Freddy Cougar, the Soundboy Nightmare. Go on, Mr. Cougar. Them can't even take you. Very bad, sir.
Only think me normal. Yeah, boy.
I feel a little better. Freddy Cougar's killing a sound. I feel a little good.
No, sir. People a long time don't hear the music there. You say, should we play Light Sparks? Here where me I go drop now, because we gone deep under the blood cleat back.
Oh, Magnum Force sound, the real champion sound, them sound, not bad like you, me I tell you, oh. Scarborough, big up on team.
You know what I youth, yeah?
Big up yourself. Brampton, big up.
That youth and you roll and barrel, yeah?
That you don't know so when I ramp on here. And you run things. Hey, woo, 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 yeah.
We gone deep in the box right now.
There's a sound playing in the land, yeah.
Wow.
In my heart cries out, yeah. Lord, that sound you like, Magnum Force got to be there, still playing. Yes, him
playing in the land. Pull up. How next? Step past tries get nervous.
Never nervous. Never nervous, cause me I go shoot somebody now, so me I go show you. A two song the kind of weak still in the hammer. You and Freddie play well like a week. King Power. Earlier on me on the talk about we play Dennis Brown and Ray. And you come back and play the same Dennis Brown we play. What? What's up with that? Una no song on the box. Una no song on the box. Play what Dennis Brown, but them know what we have Dennis Brown.
Yo! Big up Step of Chai School, no respect, large up there.
Yeah, yeah, play so what Dennis Brown, we have only for Dennis Brown.
Mikey, me never send up now the father of reggae music right about now, me I bring forth to now.
Dennis Brown.
Me Jerry into that. Step up!
Why light on them for Dennis Brown now? What we want now? Talk to them, Dennis.
Too much different sound. Too much dibby sound. Some little sound are trying to test. Step of choice.
A regular that Stepper's choice. That a regular. Me never tell you no sound of. Me never tell you no sound enough to go D Brown. Me never tell you no sound enough to go D Brown. You just commit suicide. Let go that one there.
Turn up, turn up. I'm Jackie Knockshot and this is King Power News. A soundboy was found wounded in the Toronto area, suffering from King Power dubplate wounds.
Oh, you forgot Dennis Brown.
University Hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. The University Police, the Toronto Massive, and the New York Music Organization of Reggae is investigating. It is allegedly said that the soundboy from the Zinc Pan Sound attacked Chris, Romeo, and Chuck from the King Power Sound. King Power selector retaliates, and in the autopsy taken at Brookdale Hospital Medical Center reveal a King Power dubplate in the belly and one in his throat. Returning out to local dance hall with the king and reggae, Dennis Brown.
Oh. Hey. La 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 la.
We are going with them regular Dennis Brown there. Dennis Brown.
See, I need a sound I can feel. Oh Lord, I need a sound that is real.
Pull up. Freddy Cougar.
Yeah.
One to them. One to them. One to them. One to them.
Let me tell you about me. Me bad as a selector, you know. Me no follow fashion. That's why me so unique in a dance hall. Me no follow fashion. When me and people play D-Brown, me no follow fashion. Me play a bad song to match bad D-Brown. The D-Brown never bad a while ago. Listen to the vibes.
Jonah vibes!
You seek of only vanity and no love for the Freddy Krueger sound shall fade away. Fade away.
Me no follow fashion. A big tune, Freddy. That one there, a big tune, Freddy. That one there, a big tune, Freddy. I'm going to tell you about it. And this are you there, Freddy?
Amma, you make a sound guy stammer. Come cross in Washington City.
Magnum Force is the source for good music. Selector, come cross fast. Magnum Force is the source for good music. No, 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 no.
A big tune them said out.
No, 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 no.
Not three all of them they know, right?
Massive, let's rise and shine. Give Magnum Force the trophy. Playing good music for we.
Says it's
Me feel like you and him got tag team a while ago. Cause him go some and play that song, now you play that one, yeah. I don't know that's up the record, but me gonna play one song now where none of them can even find in them box. None of them have that song, yeah. All who watch Raggas movie, put up your ear, so. Man, them ever watch Raggas movie with there. Rasta, you watch it. Over there, so watch it. Over there, so watch it. Play that song, the itchy. Think our chatting sound is. Listen how you play one to one.
Sound system, Boot Hill, Graveyard. For all a young sound who step up to the plate without knowing that. Let it play.
Step a choice.
Big up the sound cold. Yeah, step a choice sound around. Big up yourself. Itchy Eye, Lombard G, Badman Butcher,
Listen,
Kirk, and Ryan. I say, remember now. Hey, oh yeah now. Hey, hey.
Hi!
Cause it won't be too long now. It won't be too long till all folly sounds will be buried in their graves. Yeah, hey, hey, Boot Hill Graveyard.
Hazel! Buckler, that one the painful. That one they don't make you at all, brother. No, in a one for one. The man, them a water down the thing, brethren. Amma, oh, you reach a Glen Washington. A big tune we say, no, brother. Listen to me.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Mighty Diamond.
King Boa's own rule.
Mighty Diamond youth.
Whoa.
No water down the one for one.
No, sir. Nah, man. Me dead? Oh. Let me tell them something, man. When I come a dance and I play a classic one for one. What I know is I now run things sound I play in a song yet. See, run things laptop there, you know. Anytime when I see me take up the laptop, put up, so you know, a different thing, you know. When you say run things laptop, put this up. Anytime I touch that laptop, it's a murder, you know. Well on, let me play a next Freddy Krueger song for you. I play a next Freddy Krueger song, you know, no mad man. Then I must get
This dub is for this sound. At the sound of the beep, beep,
Ken Boot,
please move to the following sound. Freddy Krueger. This is Ken Booth. Oh, Freddy Cougar is the number one sound. Freddy Cougar.
Sit down.
Freddy Cougar said we from a sound boy with the play.
All a coffee baseline.
They can play the place all night long.
Why are
that we are
in drunk farmland? Drunk farm 9 o'clock.
Why are the finest dub I ever heard?
Ama.
You know what I like with them sound? They wanna play some big song. I mean, like people for no respect, I want it for money respect to cut them dub here, you know. But Freddie, you say, yeah, but run things laptop. Yeah, all right? So a 2 for 1. But me, I'm gonna tell you something tonight. Before you chip in run things laptop, me, I'm gonna tell you this.
Pick up the pieces.
Yo!
Throw it away. Pick up the pieces.
Whoa!
Pick up your sound and throw it away, sound boy. Come back and test Magnum Force another day.
Select! Sis!
Bad song, but all right, Amma, go by yourself. Lord, here one now. You play a John Holt a while ago. Me I play one mix about John Holt. Move your pussy hole and go.
Yeah, man,
Play
it's
one
Step
John
and
Holt.
Choice, now the place, you know, the killer sound. And I'm on John Holt to represent the #1 murdering sound, Step and Choice. Kirk.
That's John Holt, your mother.
Shaky. Also Ryan and one called Lombard G there. Also the one called Hitchy One. Bujo. And I'm on John Holt to represent.
Yes, no, Step and Choice play John Holt.
They right now for kill a little dead sound over there, sir. Sound boy, where you want to ya? Sound boy.
John Holt, John Holt.
Step as Choice a champion. And you're a baby. So why you try to test me? You know we are gonna kill you.
This is.
Why? Magnum go John Holt, Steppers Choice go John Holt. Big up yourself, Freddie. But how much sound you are going to play tonight? You play Killer Man Jerry, you play Freddy Cougar. I know you want to play Run Things. So a three sound we are clash with. Play me artist, I hear big tune.
King of our sound, you know you rule the town.
Them boy are not playing no tune. Jimmy London.
King Power is the sound that slowly grows and grows.
No. Well, no. Well, are the people? No. Eh? No. This is not normal. The man said, you notice me not playing a genre song. Everything when I play. I feel Freddy Cougar from night. So you ask me how much sound I want to play. Run Things are my little bridging sound. So, when you never hear it, so I feel like I want to play some song for Run Things. When you think about Freddy Cougar, not bad? Eh? Yeah, but I will just play. Eh? King Vora is a sound that slowly grows and grows. That means you're a blood clot baby. You're not born yet, you're a baby, you're not this yet. Listen, boy! Boom! You're a baby!
One sound for the Cougar in town.
Yeah, baby!
Then step forward and say, boom.
That means you're not done grow yet. Me is a big man.
Flash out.
Me a big man. Me done grow a long time. Me done grow a long time, boy. Know this.
Sound you never knew what you did when you did swing.
Sportsmanship, Freddy.
Me like the people as a selector for work. I make the people them smile. No school fees, no play music. But I'm me a lead. I'm me a lead. You owe me lead no people. You see that song where me I go play? When me hear say, the other sound didn't come. I mean, yes, Freddie a bad selector. That one here, me go dig up Frankie Paul, old time grave. Everybody in a dead right now. Listen.
Gyro. If I follow Gyro, then Magnum won't be the champion.
Guess what?
No.
Freddie!
And if
guess what?
you rock it, you know
everybody dead tonight.
Stay,
everybody dead tonight.
Oh no. And if we follow God, when it's dying time,
people dead.
It's crying. Ooh, yes. And if we follow Stone Love Flame, then Magnum would don't be no champion. No. Magnum sound. Magnum, I go shame them. I love the mercy. I love the mercy. Magnum control them. Yes. Give them something. Magnum give them something. Give them.
Hey, no box no reach nowhere yet, you know.
You know what? You know me not agree with it. The song there I go with a little thing, but you say you're a lead. Me not agree with that. You're not a lead, not boy. Tell the boy not lead, not boy.
This is Step a Choice Sound, man, with a man called Ryan and Shaky, Kirk, Lumber G, Bujo, Hitchiwana. A meditation.
Listen.
Step a Choice rule now.
Come on, listen to song.
Rule the land. Step a Choice.
No matter with a lead talk.
No.
Listen.
Son boy, if you run down your shadow now, you will never catch it.
Big tune. Big tune. I'm a say my lead. I'm a lead yourself. Go in the crowd. Go stand up and watch Big Sound and play. Listen, big tune. Caliber tune.
Yes, we're killing the big sound tonight.
Leroy Simmons.
Kill the big sound. Lord and bright. Isn't it strange how some dippy sound and thing?
Pull up!
No. Here I go on now, no? Sportsmanship. And I'm a friend dance. Well on now. My friend there, you know, saying and he said, he want me to play a song from him sound. No disrespect. I have no song. Saying, we run things, I'm a bridging sound. And then go and take care of mute them. So, he want me to blaze a song from him sound. Yeah, man. In full of song, you know. So, I chose to play a song. I play a run thing song for now.
Big up Father Lonesome, Wayne Lumsum Jr., Swain, Mama Angie, Ayman,
Derry Morgan.
So the sound that car run things, man, are the #1 sound throughout the universe. No sound boy can't test this higher sound here. Hey, Nitang Mungzai. I said it, run things a killer sound in a this ya clash. Some boy beware and mind, you get your throat slash.
Run things!
You better seek a home in the cemetery. Cause the dub that you play done. Very said it. Wrong things are the killers.
Big tune, Freddie. But, hey, you see me? Me are the smartest youth. As a selector and a boss we play music. I set you up just now, Freddie. Me set you up. You go from Freddie Cougar to run things. Kill me, kill you now.
kill me, kill your people that want you the coffin.
Oh yeah.
Kill me, kill Freddy, you know.
Run gone left you old sound. Say you find some new sound. You run gone left you old sound. Say you find some new sound. Where you are good when Magnum Force roll it.
God! I lie! Sportsmanship! And some music player. Who next? Who next?
Hold on, no man. A bad song in play, no. Me like that song now in play. And in play it at the right time. So me run down left me whole sound till me find some new sound. Any man in this world don't want a new girl in their life, something wrong. Every man sample a new girl sometime, don't it? All who say goes a gun in a year. Yeah, boy, run down left whole sound. Listen this boy. Counteraction.
International sound, yeah man.
Counteraction.
Yeah man.
Go run down left whole sound.
My sound this. Yeah man. Big up Father Lonesome and Mama Angie.
Counteraction.
Rockford family. Big up on yourself. Willing Soul says so. Sun is dying. Run things.
What boy?
Bout to run, come taste and dance on. And jump and sound, get mashed down. Run, come taste and run things.
But run down left whole sound.
Freddy, you have to go live with that dead with that forward the way I'm going to get a while ago. Freddy, listen to this. Don't make the man them dry out. Me don't want them dry out. Because me don't want you go for the gyro laptop and then you don't have a job. Careful. Play that song there.
Yo, are the big bad sound steppers choice? Yeah, me Kirk, Cool Ryan, yeah, me Bojo, Itchy One, yeah, me
Freddy,
Shaky.
listen to that song here.
Thing up, you see it.
Careful.
Them sound, them better watch themselves. Watch themselves.
No, you do Freddy
Them
Cougar.
sound, them better watch themselves.
Listen to that song here.
Seen, say steppers choice, don't ram for kill sound.
Why, Freddy? Sticky paw you answer. It look like you have to go pull out the gyro laptop, you know. Remember 3 sound you play no, Freddy? You play a Cougar already, you play Run Things. Pull out the gyro laptop, Freddy. Because it's sticky paw you right now. Fix that something then, switch it, the brother. You ready, King Boa? Play that one there. Go be it, Freddy, go. A machine, man. A machine. And the one I'm going to try sabotage you, you know. I'm going to sabotage the sound. I'm going to where you touch us, brother. All right, Freddy Cougar, come in.
On a seat. On a seat. Inside. Me soon have a jar for the jar box. No, me not have to do that. It all right now? Test it, you know. Before me punch Run Things song, you know. In our work. Run Things, take time.
This is Colonel Campbell, the original Gargan for Run Things International Sound. Don't bother test me, you know, because we will shut you down. Because Father Lonesome there Wayne Lonesome Jr., Swain Lonesome, Mama Angie, and Colonel can be there. Kill them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I say bye-bye.
Yeah, my brother, son, we have to play some song.
I say bye-bye. Oh, there ain't no trick in the book. Running international. Don't know.
You ready?
Don't laugh at him cause you're...
You ready? You ready?
King Boa sound just forward. And the dance I've seen. With him box full of dubplate. He mash up a sound boy clean.
Ernest Wilson.
Everything was splendid. The massive getting in the groove. When the sound boy trophy has spliced up. King Boa shout out, don't move.
I think round things have to go make back the clash, make it be a perfect clash. I did a clash from night, everybody lock off. You know why I said that, Freddie? We're not playing a big song. No, my mistake. We're not play some big song, but we're not playing no big song like them one. Listen up.
Magnum Force, crack the volume, pump the volume, quality baseline. Excuse me, Magnum Force, you're walking on the right line.
Which dance you not go and hear the music here?
This is Algebra and I'm fine. Mr. Dennis Walks, step on the line.
Which dance you not go and hear them song here?
If you wanna fix it, fix it.
Kill them! Kill them!
Ready!
No. Whoa, whoa. Good.
Listen.
What eyes don't see, heart don't live.
Ready up.
What ears don't hear to Magnum Post, it's no fair. So you may do what you may, sound boy, and say what you will, cause you are the one who Magnum Post is gonna kill.
Pull up. Hear me now. People from the bottom of my heart. In my drama, but we don't need 500 and 600 people to enjoy yourself. I just only select them, enjoy themselves, laugh and smile, and you don't have to tell nobody about them mother. I don't have to tell nobody no heap of thing, just music we play. Let me say a sportsmanship, and me say Steppers Choice. Big up yourself, King Boa, Freddie Cougar later on. Freddie Cougar, they are groovy Sunday. You know, say everybody know about groovy Sunday. Some big music I go play. Mr. Steppers Choice, King Boa. Big up all I sound man them are there. So Freddie Cougar with love and honor. You don't know it go from the bottom of my heart, my youth.
Yeah. Play one more song from my Virgin Sound. Run Things International. My friend sound. No, I feel one that. I feel me that too.
Wayne Lonesome, Mama Angie, Run Things International at the champion sound. You know
I'm a friend sound, you know.
What's up?
I've played 2 songs for him, you know.
Run things, kill them. Run things, murder them.
Jonah Marvin.
Son, boy, don't put your heart where you can't reach it. It doesn't make no sense.
Yeah, I'm a virgin full of song, Run Things.
Good.
My friend sound. What if I song him out?
Hard for it.
Whoa, yo.
Adjust yourself to the life you can afford to live.
Tell them Run Things.
The road to the top is long and winding.
You ready?
A foolish dog walk with a flying bird. Patient man, right donkey.
All I'm pull up my selector. Stepper.
Hear me now, Freddie. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know this thing going on. You know you're a general in my business. See me. See me, I say. Magnum Force, big up, big up. See me, I say. You don't know I final song this. You know I step a trig up, so. You know we are close the show. See me, I dealing. So right now, each one.
Ladies and gentlemen, now here comes Tuvo, Wickedest Way, Admiral Tibet, and Frankie Dance, all 6 a day, 4.
Yeah, man, that's how we have fun in music, yeah?
The professional way, the wickedest collaboration. We are Sir Frankie Paul.
Run track, nice selector. Now, Badman Bojo, and all of the crew. Whoa, whoa, Steppers Choice, please away. Admiralty.
Step a choice, play something with you. Combination, to the audio.
The war between Step a Choice and the sound just over.
Oh!
Me see them a pack up them sound and I leave now because we charge for murder. The war between Step a Choice and the sound just over.
Pack up and go.
Them a pack up them sound and I leave now because we charge for murder. Me see them a pack up the mixer, pack up your changer, pack up your equalizer and your echo chamber. You better make it before we charge for murder, or else them wine call we murderer.
Legal, Step a Choice, legal. Tell me how we so legal.
Yeah, Step a Choice sound. Steve the Ragamuffin Marley talking.
Tell me how we so legal. Anywhere we go, we got to keep it styling. Short sound wide, fling them down a sea. Make them know in a category. A Step a Choice sound, the ruling sound. Legal, Step a Choice, legal. And tell me how them so legal. Legal, bad man, not too legal.